What if I told you that just one spoonful of something you already know could unlock a hidden force of nature, making your plants grow stronger, greener, and more vibrant than ever before? The answer lies in a tiny organism that works wonders beneath the soil: yeast. Here's how you can use it. Take 1 tablespoon of yeast and place it in a blender. Add 1 liter of clean water. Blend it well until it becomes a smooth, foamy mixture. What you've just created is more than a simple liquid. It's a living boost of energy for your plants. Now, take this mixture and pour it gently at the base of your plants. As it seeps into the soil, it awakens beneficial microbes and encourages the release of nutrients your plants need to thrive. But that's not all. Pour some into a spray bottle and lightly mist the leaves. This not only feeds them, but also strengthens their natural resistance to stress, giving them a healthier, more vibrant glow. The magic of yeast lies in its natural ability to release growth-promoting compounds and improve soil life, something synthetic fertilizers often can't achieve. All it takes is 1 tablespoon, and you'll begin to see the transformation. Try this simple method and watch your plants flourish like never before. Nature always rewards those who care for it.